Welcome to AximTrade Market Analysis. I'm URUSD. Today I'll go over the weekly analysis and trade ideas for the major currency pairs, gold and Bitcoin. Let's begin with the major news to watch out for this week. On 11th October, we have Thanksgiving Day for Canada, and there will be less volatility on Canadian pairs. The next day, 12th October, we have Average Earnings Index and Unemployment Rate for UK, and as well as ZEW Economic Sentiment for Euro. On 13 October, we have Industrial Production for GBP and Consumer Price Index for United States. On the 14th October, we have the FOMC meeting and Producer Price Index for the United States, as well as the Employment and Unemployment Rate for Australia. Finally, on 15 October, we have core retail and retail sales for United States. Let's move on with the analysis. On EURUSD, price dropped last week and tested the 1.15700 level and closes above the level last week. Currently, the price is in ranging. Next, I'm expecting a break of 1.16000 level and will rise to test the 1.17000 level this week. We have FOMC meetings and retail sales news scheduled for this week, which will have some major impact on EURUSD. On GBPUSD, the price managed to hold above the 1.36000 level last week. If price managed to close above the 1.36800 level this week, then there is high probability for the market to rise to test the 1.37600 and 1.38000 level. We have few major news scheduled for this week which we need to keep an eye on. On AUDUSD, the price managed to break and hold above the 0.73000 level last week. Next, I'm expecting for the price to test the 0.74000 level as we have employment and unemployment news scheduled on 14 October which have some impact on this pair. On NZDUSD, price dropped but failed to hold below 0.69000 level last week. Next, I'm expecting the price to close above the 0.69500 level this week, and if that happens, then the next possible level for the market to test is the 0.70000 level. We also have FOMC and retail sales news which scheduled on 14 and 15 October which need to keep an eye on. On USDCHF, price dropped and managed to broke the 0.92500 level last week. Next, I'm expecting for the market to drop further to test the 0.92000 level. We have few major news scheduled for this week which need to keep an eye on. On USDCAD, price managed to broke and hold below the 1.25000 level last week, and currently it's heading to test the 1.24000 level. We also have FOMC and retail sales scheduled for this week which might have a major impact on this pair. On USDJPY, price hit the February 2020 high 112.200 level last week. Next, there is high probability for the market to drop to test the 111.600 level, and if that level is broken, then the next possible level will be 110.800 level, and the news to watch out for will be the FOMC and retail sales this week, which will be a major impact for the pair. On gold, price managed to rise and tested the 1780 level but failed to hold above it last week, but there is still high chance for gold to rise again. Next, I'm expecting the price to close above the 1780 level this week. If that happens, then there is high probability for the price to test the 1800 level as we have FOMC and retail sales news scheduled on 14 and 15 October which have some impact on gold price. And finally, on Bitcoin, price managed to break and hold above the 53000 level last week. Next, I'm expecting a pullback to 53000 level before start rising to test the 60000 level. We have few major news scheduled for this week which we need to keep an eye on. That's the market analysis for this week. Thanks for watching.